Hot take, Taylor Swift's music is not overrated.
Sure, her music might be repetitive about boys and stuff, and people in this generation specifically don't necessarily like it, but it's not the worst thing that's ever, touched my ears.
Like she said, it's not like I hate it, but I'd much rather listen to other types of music. And not to mention that she gets a lot of hate for having Travis Kelce as her husband. They would be like,
oh my god, I don't want to see Taylor Swift in the Super Bowl. How about you take your big boy pants, pull them up, and watch Travis Kelce play and not worry about his wife? You freaking loser. The only reason people genuinely hate Taylor Swift is because of society. She has done nothing to you. Ginger and Reese out.